So, hello everyone. I hope you've seen the video on how to add teachers, students, classes, assign, a class teacher as well in the previous video. So, in this video, we're going to talk about the entire academic module. So, we have covered about assigning a class teacher to class 7th, and here I'm going to edit and say about class 8th, and I'm going to add section A, just getting an update. So yes, so here, and we have also learned about controlling the classes as to how to control classes and adding sections and things like that. Now we've also seen how to add a subject, like we added a lot of subjects here, and I will add one more subject is what called physical education, because it's very important. I'm adding just again Rahul and just giving it practical, right? So I've added one more physical education. Now we have here is the class assignment which we did, and you can add more subjects as well. Like I can add physical education and say update. So we have now physical education as well. So the classes are assigned with subjects. Teacher is also assigned. It's very easy. Now let's build a class schedule, which is the timetable. A very common feature that is generally done, and it is easy for the students as well as the teachers to track everything. So if I click on this filter, you would see there is no timetable as of today. So that means we have to create the timetable. Let's create a timetable, and the best part is it is very easy to create a timetable on a Tabschool system. So it is like uh, class 8th section A, and I have to create a Monday timetable, right? And I click on filter, and it shows me that there is no, and all you have to do is to start adding the timetable, and it says set the parameters to quickly create a switch schedule. So let's do that later on, but first what I'm going to do is I'm going to add, like, first I would like go with English. Who's teaching the English? It's Rohini. I'm leaving the time, start time and the end time. I'm just giving like classroom is 101. Let's for example say. The next subject is going to be social studies, and Jyoti ma'am is going to teach. Again, the room is 101. It's the same room. And then I'm going to say, okay, the third thing that is there is your uh, science, right? Um, Naveen is going to teach you it 101. And then let's say it's a break. So it's a break of for the students, a lunch break, whatever it is. Then we say, okay, today we are going to have another maybe math class, right? Math class, and Mr. Pankaj is going to teach you in same classroom 101. And again, from math, I'd say, okay, let's say you have a French class, and here Poonam ma'am is going to teach you French again in 101. So we have now 5 classes. So let's add one just to make it more. We don't need it. I think 5 classes are more than enough for the day. So this is there, and then now you all you have to do is, which is what is the starting date or starting time. So I say, okay, the school starts at 8:30 or 8 o'clock. First is there is prayer for half an hour and some sort of activity engagement, and then 9 o'clock actually the school starts with the formal education. So we say 9 a.m. So the 9 a.m. is going to be there, and there going to be a 40 minutes of the entire, what you call, one duration of the class is going to be 40 minutes, and I'm going to give 5 minutes a break between one class and another. And obviously the classroom is going to be one and one. So what I have to do is I just have to click apply, and you see it will automatically calculate everything. So it says 9 a.m. the first class ends at 9:40, social studies at 9:45, and ends at 10:25, and so on and so forth. So 1:25 your school ends. So this is like a really good way of doing things, right? So if we click save, so information is saved. So if you want to check it out, here, class schedule, right? And I'll say class 8, section A. Can we see it? Yes, we can see it. We can see the entire schedule, but we don't have a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday schedule. So let me come back and show you how this timetable is going to look like. Okay, and let's create full timetable so that you have an entire idea as to what it is, right? So yeah, so what we've done now is we added more data, and in this data what we've done is now we've created the entire till Friday the timetable for the class 8 section A, keeping in mind that there is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday can be a little flexible. Now the best part about this schedule list is that you can take a printout as well. So you can either save it as a PDF, or you can take it out as a printout and put it on a circular or send it out to the students, whichever way. Uh, this is there, and the student will also be able to see. So let's see how student sees this timetable on their student end, right? So we have a student of class 8 named Manpreet, and we'll see how that student is going to view this. So yeah, I have now logged in into Manpreet's account. If you can see, this is Manpreet, the student. And now what we can do is click on academic and click on class schedule. And this is how the Manpreet is also going to view the entire timetable along with timings and the teachers and the classroom where all the timetable is going to hit. So now your timetable and the subject is pretty much there. Okay, this is your teachers, this is what is happening, this is your class teacher, this is that is there, and then obviously they'll have the class schedule. So you have both on the both the side, admin side, as well as this is the admin, you can see that, as well as the student side. You can see that there is, we, or I am sure you would also, I would like to see like how teacher will view this timetable. We'll log in into the teacher account as well. So I have logged into a teacher, which is the class teacher Rohini's account. If you can see, this is the teacher Rohini's account, and then I can go to academic and say, okay, class schedule. So the teacher will also be able to see her class and filter it out and say, okay, class schedule. So this is the entire way of working with the timetable that is there. We can also create a teacher schedule, which you can see you at the admin and both at the teacher end. This is one way. See, teacher is there, and let's say, okay, filter. And you can see that there is Sunday is nothing, Monday at this time, and the teacher is not available. On Tuesday there is nothing to do, that means teacher you can assign for the extra work, and on Saturday also. But in 9 a.m. you can always manage, the teacher of the same class will be teaching English to a different class as well. So this is something that can be done similarly. Like if I want to see the teacher's schedule, I can see as an admin, and I can say, okay, there is one teacher which is not present on Tuesday, go and see where we can assign that, a substitution you can create. So definitely you can see all that at the same time. And this is the promotion. Now promotion generally happens like any student who's going to be from class 8th to class 9th, we have to promote them out, and we can definitely do that. Like promote to a session, class would be from 8th, do you want to promote it to 9th, and which section you want to promote it to. So yes, that is there. You can promote the student from the back end. So this is the academic section of the Tabschool's ERP system, and I hope it is very easy to use. It's nothing hard, nothing difficult is there. Where you, when it comes to creating a class timetable, the best part is generally you have to create timetable one time, because it is generally seen that the timetable is followed for a quarter, that is 3 months. So once you've created a timetable for 3 months, and then generally there is a holiday after every 3 months, like if the session starts from 1st of April, April, May, June is there, April, May, that is there, and then June there's a holiday, and then you can say from July, August, September, and there's a holiday of 15 days, in September, October, because there is Diwali. Then October, November, then December, and December end there is another holiday, and then January, February, March, and March and towards end there is a holiday for students. So this is how it is, and you can change the timetable quarterly or 6 monthly, whichever way your school is works. So that would be really very easy for you to work on this timetable, academic, class, section, that kind of thing. So I hope you can you understood like how easy it is, and even if you are not able to operate now, you can take help from our customer care executives. They will help you out. Thank you.